Folks, so this video, I just wanted to talk a little bit about something that I learned very recently in trading. Um, and again, I'm just trying to make videos that are helpful to other people in the way that I wasn't helped. So I'm trying to make videos that I never had when I was learning, that I think will kind of help move people forward in the way that I wanted to get moved forward, but never had the opportunity because those videos just weren't there. So one of the things I learned recently was that being a swing trader, which is what I am, it's important to kind of flip your mentality as far as what it takes to make money or what you're doing to make money. So you might have the mentality that if you're going to go and be a trader, you have to be active and you have to be doing something, kind of like a job. That's kind of how I compared it to in my mind today. Was you might think that when you go to a job, you're actively doing stuff, you're doing your job, your work or whatever, and you get paid for it. It might be the same with trading. You go in, you do work, you're active, and you get paid for it. But it's actually like the complete opposite, and that's what I learned recently. Because the market seems to move in these waves where there's these really profitable times where swing trading works fantastically, and then there's just these dead times where like either the market is choppy or sideways or moving down, and it just doesn't work out that well. And so you're basically hands off the whole time. But at the same time, even when the market is going up or is really, really positive, you don't necessarily want to be trading all the time. It's better to take far fewer trades, which is something I had to learn the very hard way. So the way I've changed my strategy is I changed it to where I'm looking for 4-week patterns or larger, or I'm actually trying to adjust that maybe to 2 or 3 week even as well, but week-long patterns, not something that's a few days old, and then trading those, because those actually give you the best opportunity, which is where you want to be. You want to be in the best possible opportunity to make yourself money. So, and in so doing, you end up taking far fewer trades. Basically, if you get in one that has a very, very good chance of working, you actually end up being in that trade for much longer than one that is just not that good of an opportunity. So you end up taking fewer trades. So for me personally, I'm trying to just take as few trades as I possibly can. Number one, that lowers my commission, but it also just by default can help to put me in the best possible trades. And then you end up holding those, especially if the market has pulled back, sets up and starts moving again. You can end up in those for weeks, weeks and weeks, because it moves up, it bases, it moves up, it bases, it moves up, it bases, and you just keep making money the whole time. Then you eventually get out when the trade has, basically exhausted itself or whatever. But I had to learn that the hard way. Being a swing trader, you need to sit and wait and wait and wait. And then a great pattern or form, when it breaks out, you take it, you get in, and then you wait and wait and wait as you're in it. And you're not doing anything else. It's the best way to protect yourself from more losses. It's also the best way to just put yourself in the best possible positions, the best possible opportunities as possible. So that's all I wanted to say. I know that that's something that I did not have. Nobody had told me that when I was a trader, just learning. And I'm not a pro now, but it's something that I learned, and I can see in my day-to-day and in the last few months. It's absolutely true, and it's the best way to be trading as a swing trader. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share. If anybody has a comment, please stick it in the bottom. See you next time.